Today I am going to explain about the how to clone the project from Bitbucket to your local laptop. First, for example, first we need to log in into the Bitbucket. After then, you need to select your project. For example, repository. This is my project. Card is my project. So there are the different types of branches available. You can select, for example, if it's a development branch is a master, default branch as a master, then you can select as a master branch. After then you need to go to right side, click on clone. You will get some URL. Okay, copy that URL, and next you go to your particular folder in your particular laptop, local laptop. Click on right click, select git bash here. In that git bash here, uh, okay, you need to copy paste this URL, git clone. Once after then enter. Okay, it takes some time to cloning that project into the your local machine. Okay, now completed, successfully completed. Your project is cloned. After then this clone git close git bash here. See here your cut project is cloned. After then go to show more options. Here git bash here. See the changes here. It is showing as a main branch, right? This is about the git, how to clone about the git. Thanks for watching the videos.